what is happening here is Dinah has prepared two mixtures. Uh, Cake batter she is taking, which means she is taking flour, she is putting some water, some milk. Okay. Along with that, she is putting baking soda. Why she is putting baking soda? We know this. In the other batter, she is taking baking powder, and both the batter she is keeping for 1 hour. So baking soda is what? NaHCO3. When it is heated, only then it gives CO2. So till the time it is resting, that is for 1 hour, no CO2 will be produced. So there will be no bubbles in the batter which will be seen. Let us come to the batter which has got baking powder. What is baking powder? It is NaHCO3 along with any edible acid like tartaric acid. Now, when this tartaric acid is mixed in the batter, which means it is liquefied, some liquid is there, water is there rather, it will get activated because acid starts showing its characteristics in water, and it has got a basic salt along with it, which is NaHCO3, baking soda. This is soda, baking soda, which is a basic salt. So you have got a base and you have got an activated acid. So what happens as a result? The acid will start reacting with this sodium hydrogen carbonate. We know that what happens during reaction of sodium hydrogen carbonate or any carbonate with acid, it gives us salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. So in this 1 hour of resting, we will observe bubbles of CO2 already formed in the batter. Therefore, when we are using baking powder, it is advised that after mixing the batter with water, we should immediately start using it. Otherwise, the acid will get activated and it will start producing carbon dioxide, which actually we wanted to happen during the baking process.